This is a unit just over a year old, Austin, Texas. Oil everywhere. This circuit here, as you can see, there's two circuits. This circuit on the left is flat on Freon. Of course, it went into the air. They replaced this compressor. You can see the burn marks. And as they was putting it in, they broke the terminal box cover here. See? This is our mechanical air conditioning people at work in Austin, Texas. Look at this crappy work. And they got their license to do this stuff. Unbelievable. Look at this. It's just crappy. Oil everywhere. I'm just here doing a maintenance. I just thought people would be interested in what kind of work air conditioning people do in Texas.